Are you tired of limited laptop connectivity? Standard hubs, few ports, slow speeds, basic charging, limited HDMI, weak Ethernet, slow data transfer. Charging often capped below 60 watts, frustrating for power users. Dual monitor support? Rare, usually only one display. Most hubs, bulky design, poor cable management. Now, meet the Anker 8 in one USB-C hub. Sleek, compact design fits any workspace. 8 essential ports. 2 HDMI, Ethernet, SD divided by microSD, USB, A, PD, in. Connect 2 4 Kelvin's monitors boost your multitasking. Windows. Extended dual display. macOS. Mirror mode. Stream or mirror in ultra-clear 4 Kelvin's resolution. Fast, stable Gigabit Ethernet up to 1 gigabits per second. Transfer files 10x faster up to 5,120 megabits per second. SD and microSD slots for rapid media access. 85 watts high-speed pass-through charging keeps you powered. Perfect for remote workers, tech enthusiasts, professionals. Universal compatibility, MacBook, Windows, ChromeOS, Thunderbolt. Not compatible with Linux, check your device before buying. Comparison, Anker versus regular hubs side by side. Anker, dual 4 Kelvin's displays, others, only single monitor. Anker, 85 watts charging, others, 60 watts or less. Anker, 8 ports, others, 4-5 basic ports. Anker, sleek, portable, others, bulky, messy cables. Anker, reliable wired internet, others, only Wi-Fi. Anker, fast data transfer, others, slow file movement. Anker, 18-month warranty, friendly customer support. Join 50 million plus users powered by Anker technology. Upgrade your workspace. Choose the Anker 8 in one hub. Expand, connect, and power up effortlessly. Ready to boost productivity? Click now to order. Experience the Anker advantage today. Product details and link are given in the description.